How to move your taskbar position on Windows. What's up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can move your taskbar around on top of your screen or on the bottom of your screen. Currently there is no way for you to move your taskbar to the left or right of the screen, but in order for you to move it to the top of the screen, you just have to follow these steps. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your search bar and search for Registry Editor. And then from here click on Yes. And now you want to go ahead and click on Find here. So just on the top of your screen you will see this option Edit and click on Find. Now what you have to do here is type in stock regs 3. So once you type in this, type this in, just click on Find Next. Now it will take some time for you to find the folder, so just wait for a bit. Now once your PC finds this folder, all you have to do is open the settings, and on your settings you will see different values right here. You just have to select this value on the FE corner. On this column you just have to change this value to 01. So just make sure to do that and click on OK. Once you do this, you can give your PC a quick restart, or what you can do is open your task manager, and from here you want to search for Explorer and then restart your Explorer. So right click on it and then click on Restart. So it will take a while, but once it's restarted, your taskbar position should be moved to the top. So just restart your PC once and then you're good to go. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys on the next video.